Hi, today we're going to be making a 2-fabric key fob wristlet. First you'll need 2 pieces of coordinating fabric. I'm using a duck canvas on the bottom and a regular cotton on top. You'll need scissors or rotary cutter, pliers, hardware, clips or pins, and a ruler. Cut your bottom fabric 4 inches by 12 inches and your top fabric will be 12 inches by 3 1/4 inches. Next, you'll iron if needed. Fold the fabric in half, meeting the edges along the crease. Iron it and then clip it to keep it shut. You're going to do the same thing on the top fabric. Again, you're going to clip it and you're going to iron it. Ironing the fabric after you fold it will keep it nice and flat, and it'll make it much easier for the top fabric to lie and position on the bottom fabric. You're going to do just that, and you're going to clip them together. You're going to sew along the edge of the strip on both sides using a 2/8 seam allowance. Now fold it in half so that the raw edges are together and sew that shut. Now you're going to attach the hardware firmly using the pliers. Make sure it's secure. And then you're going to attach the key ring, and you're all done. Thanks for watching.